Hey, what's up, guys? So today we're gonna be making some guacamole. I promise this is the best recipe you will find anywhere. So we're gonna need some avocados, half an onion, a jalapeno, a tomato, half a lime, and then some pickled jalapeno vinegar juice, and some cilantro, and salt. It doesn't have to be kosher, just any salt works. So we're gonna go ahead and dice everything up real nicely. We want to do this to our avocados, that way whenever we put it into our bowl and start mashing it up, it's really easy to get it going. Just like that. Alrighty, went ahead and did that to all the other ones. There we have our onion, tomatoes and jalapenos, our cilantro, and lime. So I actually had this bowl sitting at the house, and this isn't necessary to make the guacamole. You can just throw it in any random bowl, but I just went ahead and used this one. So first we're going to go ahead and take our avocado and scoop it out with a spoon. Make sure you get all of it real nicely. We're going to go ahead and mash it up. This bowl, mine, comes with this kind of like a stone, it's kind of like a rock. You should mash everything up. You can use a fork or a knife or like the bottom of a cup as well. This is about the consistency that you want. We're going to go ahead and add in all our chopped vegetables. So here I'm doing the jalapeno and the tomato. And this isn't in any certain order either. Do the cilantro. And then the onion. I'm going to go ahead and squeeze our lime in there. If you like the flavor of lime, you might as well do a whole lime, but just half gives it a good little flavor. And then some salt. And then we're going to pour in our vinegar. And then you just go ahead and start mixing it all up. Whenever you're done mixing, if you feel like you don't have enough onion or enough tomato or enough cilantro, you can go ahead and add it yourself. But there you have it. I promise this is the best recipe you will find anywhere. It is so good. If you want to impress your friends with some guacamole, make this recipe. I promise you will not disappoint. I'm also going to show you all another little trick. If you have some leftovers, which you shouldn't because they should eat all of the guacamole, but if you do, you want to go ahead and flatten it all out. Make sure it's real nice and flat. And then you want to take some water and just pour it right over the top of it and cover all of the guacamole entirely. Because if you don't do this, it'll start to get real brown and get a real nasty flavor to it. But yeah, just cover up the guacamole, and then the next day when you're ready to eat it, just pour the water right off of it and it's ready to go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys.